name is Sabir Sumar. Was a little lower than my age. I'm 75 right now. In 1987, Sabir Sumar came to participate in a documentary seminar at West Bengal Film Center, which was nicknamed by Satyendra as Nandan. Nandan means aesthetics. So Nandan is called the West Bengal Film Center. It was built up by the state government then. And Sabir Sumar came. Pradeep Dixit from Maharashtra, a documentary filmmaker. I don't know where is he, whether he's alive, I do not know. Because that was in 87 and many years, 3 decades have gone by. I have not heard about him. And Suhasini Mule was with me at the same time. So in fact, I conducted the session and we are shown her first film, who will pass the first stone. That documentary is about a woman imprisoned for longer years behind the bars without any justice and putting a kind of abusive term, blasphemy. So you must get to the prison.